So when it comes to Instagram, what would you say for a business, and we'll talk about business accounts, what would you say are the core essentials that everybody should be doing when setting up an Instagram account?
Okay, so the first thing, I'm going to start with the foundations of your account because people go straight in and they're like, I want 10,000 followers and I want to post amazing content. But the most important thing is making sure that your bio is correct and that it is opening you up to the best audience that it possibly can. So, your Instagram bio is the first small piece of text that you will see when you go to your account, and you have a limited amount of characters there. So you have to be very smart in what you put into that bio. But in short, it should tell people exactly what you do so that they know straight away, as soon as they come to your account, whether or not your venue is for them. So if you are a child-friendly venue, that should be in your bio. If you are a luxury adult-only venue, that should be in your bio because these are the things that are going to make you stand out. If I was looking for a child friendly holiday, saw all these amazing pictures, and then it wasn't until I went to book that I realized, I can't take my kids, or, the opposite way round, it's a bit of a pain in the backside. So be as to the point as you can in your bio and tell people exactly what it is that you have to offer them. The next thing about your bio is the first line of black text. Those words bring you up in searches. So if you head on over to my Instagram account, you will see that the first line of black text says Instagram expert and speaker rather than my name, Estelle Kiba. And the reason for that is because those words are going to be searched a lot more than my name. So you need to think about words that describe your business, but also that your ideal clients are going to be searching for. And location is one of the crucial things that I would say to make sure that you have in that first line. Because if I'm looking for something specifically in an area on Instagram, I will then type in that keyword to then go and search. So if you have your location there as well, that will also bring you up. So for example, you could have luxury log cabin, um, Devon. I don't know, just off the top of my head there, think about words that your ideal client is going to be searching and make sure that those key words are in that first line of black text. So, just to recap, the first line of black text, those words are searchable. You can edit these inside your Instagram profile. So, a little task for you guys that are actually using Instagram. I would love for you to take a screenshot of your bio as it is, and then think about the things that I've just been mentioning and make a few tweaks, and then take a screenshot of your edited bio. I would love to see what changes you make. But also in your bio, as well as keeping it nice and short and sweet, you could also break it up with emojis. So, if you do have a log cabin, you could put, a little fire sign there. If it's a luxury venue, you could put some little champagne glasses there. It just means that people can read what it is that you have to say a lot easier. We're so busy, we don't even have time to read a paragraph of writing. That is literally what I'm saying. People don't have time to read your life story in that like first bit of bio. So you need to keep it short and sweet and make sure that you are breaking it down using emojis. And you can also use your notes app. So this is something that lots of people get really frustrated with, in the fact that you can't format your bio on Instagram. So if you're having issues, you can then go into your notes app, type out your bio as you would like it, and then copy and paste that back over into your Instagram account. And that way it will keep the formatting just as you would have had it in your notes app. So that solves that problem. And I think my final tip would be to make sure that you are using the link in your bio. So you can have one link. I'm not going to overcomplicate it. You can have more than one if you choose to, but Instagram really just gives you one link in your bio. And if people cannot book through Instagram with you, then they need to be going somewhere else that they can. So, this is where you would be encouraging people to go somewhere else to maybe find out more about your venue or to book the venue. So, make sure you are using a link in your bio and also telling people why they should click it. You know, people sometimes need a bit more encouragement. Tell them, click here, 10% discount. Click here, 2 nights for one. You know, whatever it is that you need to do to draw attention to that link, that is what you should be doing.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.